back again with another Quick Bites from Hy-vee dietitian Katie George.
Yes, we always have a twist on things.
Yeah.
Do we not? So we are twisting a recipe, just adding some jazz to it, I guess. So we are going to kind of take a twist on super popular right now, avocado toast.
Yep.
And I love avocado toast. I utilize avocado toast with a lot of my clients. This is just a different take on it. So we are going to use, first off for our bread, this is going to be brown berry. This is a whole grain bread, really great fiber. It has just a lot of good nutrients in it. This is one of my favorite breads, whole grain product. And this is going to be the base of our twisted toast. We'll call it that. So we've got our toast right here. So what we're actually going to do, cottage cheese is all the rage right now. Have you heard about that?
Not lately.
So it is all the rage. And so either you are a cottage cheese lover or you're a cottage cheese hater. And what are you?
Hater.
Hater, why?
I guess, you know what, I haven't tried it recently.
So it's texture for a lot of people.
Yeah,
and so we are actually going to be using ricotta cheese instead of cottage cheese because ricotta cheese is just smoother and it doesn't have the chunks. And people, if you are not cottage cheese fan, ricotta cheese is going to do it. So we are going to take our toast. You can toast this in the toaster if you want. Just to kind of crisp up the bread, but we're going to take ricotta cheese and spread this on your twisted toast. And then from here, we are going to add an egg however you like. Okay. So we are doing a, is it over easy? Is that what we decided? Over easy egg here. Onto one piece. We're going to do one with an egg and one without. And then from here you get to add any of your produce items that you want. So a lot of times people do avocado toast. Well, this is exactly what we're doing. We're adding some avocado to our toast. And then we're going to top it with an heirloom tomato. And the heirloom tomato is just, it has such deep flavor and just is really a great item. So we're just going to add some tomato to that as well. Even if you do not want an egg and if you just want the ricotta, you can just add that. And the tomatoes and then that avocado, which is great healthy fats. We're just going to add that in between, and it's just going to look so beautiful. And it's a twisted take on avocado toast. I'm going to actually move that to the side. You can kind of put what you want on it. I've done this recipe very similar to it with a couple of my athlete classes, and one of the athletes said, well, could I add tomato to it? Yeah. Of course you can. And here is the dream of your twisted toast. So if you do not like cottage cheese, ricotta cheese is a great alternative, and this could be a great snack. It could be a great breakfast. With the egg, that could make part of a meal. So it includes all components of a great carbohydrate, a good protein source, and then healthy fats with the avocado. You can't beat it.
Yeah, perfect. All right, it looks good.
It definitely is.
Thank you so much. We'll be right back.